Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I'm back with some happy mail. This comes from my longtime pen pal Sandra. So Sandra, thank you very much. Wanted to show you the wonderful stickers that she's included here. It says happy mail, and we have some of this scratch and sniff stickers. I love it, and our Care Bears. How adorable is that? Now we have been pen pals since 2016. I cannot believe how time flies. And we've had fun sending each other exchange mails. We've had a few swaps in the recent years and also sent birthday mails and holiday mail to each other. So Sandra, again, thank you so much. And say hello to your baby Izzy if you are watching. Let's have a look and see what she has sent me. Oh my gosh, they are coming out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them as they come out of the bag, but I do want to look for a card. So let me just see. There it is. This is the card. It says happy birthday. Let me scratch and sniff that and see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. And look at that. She decorated the envelope. So Sandra has an Instagram, and I'll link that also somewhere up here or down below. And she shares her sticker albums and journals. She has some beautiful layouts and really adorable sticker collections. If you'd like to check it out, please make sure to check the link. So let's see. Oh, how cute. Look, we got our gummy friends here. We have some textured pom-poms. It says happy birthday. So let me read this off camera. Thanks so much, Sandra. Thank you for this adorable card and beautiful message. We call each other twin pals because we have so much in common when it comes to the aesthetic of cute things. And I just wanted to show you this adorable scratch and sniff birthday cake sticker and a little peek at her beautiful handwriting. So thank you so much. Now check out these adorable washi tapes. I'm a big fan of Studio Ghibli's My Neighbor Totoro. It's a Japanese animated film. And these black little characters are called suit sprites. And they are adorable. I love it. Thank you very much. And then she's also given me one of these washi that's perfect for snail mail. Look at that snail. And we got our mail, and this is the company name of where she got it. That is super sweet of you. And just take note, we both love foxes, and this comes from Fox in Cactus is the washi company. Let's see what else is in here. Oops, sorry about the shakies. I'm gonna flip it over. Oh my goodness. Should I open this last? I think I'm gonna open that last. Look at what she got me. They're Pip stickers, and is a big fluffy My Melody sticker, and she is my favorite Hello Kitty character. Love it. I also love Cinnamoroll, but she is really my #1 favorite ever since I was a kid. So Sandra, thank you very much. And what do we have here? A scented Don't Worry, Be Happy pen. I need this, and I can't wait to write this. Let me just take it out and see what that smells. I'll just write something here real quick. Little hearts. Oh my goodness. It smells like vanilla. It's really, really yummy, and I love that scent. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, Sandra, there's so much goodies in here. Look at what she's used for the packaging. A cute little bear. I spy a stamp. There are so many goodies in here. Let me just open it up. And we'll slide it out. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Do you see that little kitty cat? Hold on, let's show you this way. Isn't that adorable? Super cute. And look at what she's gifted me. So Sandra has ordered some of these stickers from different creators via Instagram, and she posts how she lays them out in her journals, in her sticker books. And she has gifted me Rainbow Bright, who is another retro character that I like from the 80s. My gosh, you've given me stickers. So we did do a swap, a retro swap of stickers. I think it was last year, and it was so much fun. Look at the texture on this one. It feels like fabric, and it's a unicat. Is that a unicat? And then we have this. I can smell some of the stickers here. Look at this one. This reminds me so much of my childhood. We have some birds, cupcakes, and of course our birthday cake, rainbow. Oh, how cute. And a teddy bear that says happy birthday. And there's more. We have, this is what I'm smelling. These are the scratch and sniff stickers. This looks like blueberries or grapes. It smells really good. And then we have this guy here, blueberry. We have, you can see that this is the creator's version of strawberry shortcake characters. I hope you can see that. Hold on. There you go. Don't mind my dry hands. We got the dill delightful scratch and sniff. It really smells like it. And then we have this one with the pine or the tree. And then we have our cherry little jello. Let me smell that. Oh my gosh, that smells good. And what else do we have here? Oh, Sandra, this is so sweet. I absolutely love this image. Super dreamy. And we got that cute little nest with a little birdie, bluebird on her head. And is this a sticker? This is a sticker. So I'm gonna have to add this in my journal entry. And is there, it seems like there's something attached. It's just a thicker sticker. So thank you for that. And what else has she included? It looks like we have some grid paper. Let me take it out of the bag. These are always fun to add in your journals. How cute is that? So there are several sheets there. So thank you so much for sharing that. And this bag is filled with so many goodies. Oh my gosh, look at this retro notebook. Let's open it up and see what the pages look like. Here it is, guys. All of the iconic types of candies. And then we have some of our clear. This is perfect. So Sandra has some notebooks, and what she'll do is she'll have different prompts that she uses on Instagram, and then she'll have different layouts. For example, you put all the pink stickers, all the candy stickers. So this might be a good journal for our sticker themed and prompts. And my gosh, look at this bunny envelope. There is so much in here. I love it. Thank you so much. I'd also sent her some belated happy birthday mail, but my goodness, you have sent me so much, Sandra. Oh, I love it. We love to read, so she's included this cute teddy bear. Oh my gosh, it's double-sided. How perfect would that be for spring reading? I love it. And what are these? These are flower stickers. That'll be fun to add to our spring little projects. This is from Happy Flower Shop. And how cute are these characters? And all the floral pieces in there. She's also shared some of these nostalgic retro rainbow stickers. I'm going to have to share this with Emmy because she loves putting that on her folders. And we have a Shiba Inu stationery sheet. This is too cute. I love it. They have cherries and their bandanas and the 3 colors of the puppies or doggies with a matching envelope. How adorable. And that's not it, guys. There is more. Now she's also, every year we always trade chocolate. This year she has sent me salted caramel. I am going to have to refrigerate it, Sandra, and hope that it's still good. It's slightly melted, but I hope I can still save this. But thank you very much, and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to put this on the side here. Oh my gosh, you have gifted me so much. And then we have Hug Life. I love that. I'm going to cut this out. Oh my gosh, I see something in here that I absolutely love. But look at the way she's beautifully packaged this and put some of that adorable snail mail washi. Let's open this up. All right, the first item here is this cute window envelope. Oh, and it has a little stationery with a kitty cat But check this out. Once you put it in, it looks like you'll see that kitty cat's face out the pocket of the window, and it looks like this, like a little backpack. How adorable. She's also gifted me more stickers, so we love trading stickers. I'm definitely going to use this, and I'm going to start doing a little sticker journal like she does. It's so cute. And then more of our snail mail. Sandra, let me know where you got these. These are adorable. More flowers, and I love this. These look like the Japanese floral patterns. And what is this? Oh my gosh. First, check out these cuties in the bottle, different animals. How precious is that? And what is this? Is this a lamb? It's a postcard. Oh wow. How cute are the bunnies? I love bunnies. I love the spring theme. And then she's shared, oh, she knows how much I love birds. I'm going to do a bird page. We're going to do this. I'm really going to use that. And I'm just going to come up with my own prompts or follow hers as well. And then, oh my gosh, you did not. Great Cat Adventure. This is the character I was talking about. This is my neighbor, Totoro. And there he is, the main guy. We have the cat bus. And all the fun characters and the suit sprites. How fun. You are so sweet. Thank you very much. More of our retro stickers here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. And we have confetti stickers with our Hello Kitty characters. And you can see that holographic look to it. Oh my goodness. Sandra and I bonded. The first times we had written to each other was because we love the Little Prince. And oh, this is so sweet. A Little Prince sticker set. So the 4 iconic pieces is the rose, the fox. We have the prince, of course, and then the elephant in the belly of the snake. But this is just too cute. I love it. I'm going to have to do a page layout just showing the Little Prince in that sticker book as well. And there is more. A macaron bunny. Oh my gosh, I'm just so overwhelmed with all the goodies in there. There's more, guys. Oh my gosh. I am new to this creator. So just to show you, this is by Poppy and Pear, and how pretty is this collection. It almost is reminiscent of what is it? Oh my gosh, what is her name? Maggie Holmes, and then there's Dear Lizzie. There's another, Paige Evans has the same kind of coloring in terms of the aesthetic. It's kind of a combination. And this is by American Crafts. How fun are these ephemeras? Perfect for spring journaling. I'll have to look through that soon. But she has gifted me 2 of these from the collection. And then we have these puffy stickers. Sorry about that glare. So you get a preview of what the characters look like in there. How cute. With doggies and teapots, lemon and letters, and our woodland creatures. Really, really cute. And we have some jemmies. So she lives in Canada, and I love going to their Dollarama because you find all these cute pieces like these rhinestones, and don't they look amazing? I've never seen this kind in this type of colors and shape. Really, really cute. Thank you so much for sharing that. And she's also shared a Crafter Square rub-on transfer stickers, which are my favorite. I love these. I love adding that to my pages. So we have that, and then we have one more. Last but not least, this says scratch and sniff. So I'm going to scratch it and smell it. That smells so yummy. It's like bubble gum-ish. And let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try not to tear that. Oh, what is it? Oh my goodness. We were just chatting online about strawberry shortcake. She is one of my most favorite characters too. When I was growing up, my kids love her. And look at what she got me. What a beautiful, I think it's an acrylic little keychain by Neat Stuff is the name of the place, it looks like. And this is the sticker club. Oh my gosh. Let me take it out. Let's just take a look at the back side of the keychain. So here it is, guys. I admire these handmade items. These are so cute. I love it. Look at that. That's the back side there. Just amazing. Thank you so much, Sandra. I love it. So here again is the wonderful surprise birthday mail that Sandra has sent me. She is my, oh my God, my snail mail bestie and twin. So make sure to check out her Instagram. I'll link it down below. I think she still has her Etsy shop. And if she does, I'll link it down below as well. Make sure to check out her creations. And I'm hoping she can also post some flip-throughs in her YouTube soon of her beautiful sticker books and journals. But in the meantime, go ahead and check her out on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I have. Thanks again for watching. And Sandra, thank you so much. I'm sending you some big warm hugs. Give my love to your daughter, Isabel, and we'll chat soon. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.